It's raining. Ah. Hold on. Okay. Hey, welcome back today. We're going to be getting some running boards on the truck today. I got these from eBay, so they're kind of cheap, but they should work out all right. Let's show you right here. This is for the extended cab trucks, obviously. I forget what the brand was, what they called them, but I think these ran about 170 bucks. And also, here's a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be doing more stuff to the truck and, you know, on older stuff like this, the F250. All right, let's get back to it. All right, one thing I want to just kind of get out of the way is, maybe this will help, but my truck's not perfect. Someone previously installed, you know, replacement rocker panels inside and outside, and it wasn't really done, you know, we'll say to how I normally do it, but the inner rocker, they actually just overlapped it over top of the old one. So I got the old one here still just kind of rotting away. So my plan before I get these running boards on, I kind of marked where the bracket was for clearance. That's if I want to do it the cheap, lazy way, in my opinion. But what I really want to do is, I started doing it down here, is I basically cut off the old inner rocker so it runs right up to that flange. And it just, one, it makes it look better, and two, it gets all the old rusty stuff out of the way for the, you know, brackets to sit here nice and flat. I'm gonna take care of this. I'm not even gonna show you. You can look up video of people cutting metal, whatever. So I'm just gonna cut all this off, get this all out of the way. I'm gonna get started on that, and then I'll bring you back once I get all this stuff trimmed out, and then we'll start installing. All right, just got done cleaning up. I'm sort of afraid to lay on the ground now because I was doing this and I thought I had an ant crawling on me, and then I stood up and I smacked something off my neck, and it was like a spider like that big on my neck. I'm not real thrilled about it. I kind of don't want to play this game anymore, but I want my running boards on. So that's what it looks like. Now it looks pretty normal. Yeah, I know I'm missing the supports here, but maybe someday I'll do something about that. Right now it's not real important. But I got that all cleaned up, painted. So now I'll start putting these brackets on. I'll bring it back once I get everything set up. Okay, slightly new plan, because my battery died when I did the driver's side. And here we go, here's a good spot. Those are my mounting holes for these brackets on this side. I would use the furthest forward mount, but you may be able to see it. Yeah, that's tiger hair. It's not the best spot. Someday I'll have to fix that right, and then possibly move that bracket up here if need be. I don't think it'll need it. I think it should be good, because this is, you figure this is where you stand and get into the vehicle. You don't do anything really up here, so this should work out really well. So I'm gonna grab the hardware here, and then I'll show you how that kind of just slides right in to its holders, you want to call it, or just the mounting holes themselves, and then we'll start bolting up the brackets. All right, so like I said, we're at the furthest forward mount. As I said before, typically there is another mounting location. It's right here, but it's patched. You know, someone patched it like that, and you know, there was tiger hair, so it's not solid here, so we're not doing that. But there are 4 factory mounts on this truck for running boards, and I'm going to utilize the next one here, which is good to go. So these, they give you a little window. They call these speed nuts or whatever. Put it into this hole here, and you just start pushing. I'm trying to do it with there on camera. So you get that in there, and that's how it looks. So now I gotta take the other one and go this way with it, and then that'll take care of those. And then these bottom ones, you just push them on from the bottom, just like that. So there you go. Go in through the window, push one this way, push one this way. That's how it looks like that. I'm gonna use some anti-seize in these locations, and probably even eventually, the time being, I like to spray fluid film or something on the inside of this rocker, because you can get it in here, these other holes, and that'll help also protect that hardware as well. So let me grab these two, and then I'll get the bracket, and I'll show you how the bracket kind of just goes on. So I got the first one hung. This is how it goes on. Nothing special about it. Like I said, for these upper bolts, I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it. So I'm gonna leave these pretty loose, finger tight, so I can maneuver them as I needed. Because on the driver's side, when I got all these brackets in place and I had to put the actual running board on, it did help a lot to just leave everything loose like this. And then whenever I go to tighten everything up, I tighten the running board first, and these brackets were actually last for me to tighten up. All right, got all my brackets on. Here's the center one, and then the rear one. All right, so I got the running board out. Just like that. I already got my end caps on. I'll walk you through that real quick, how those go on. So those, they come on from this side here, so you'll put them up and through. And then they'll have these little plastic studs. And then you take these little spacer sleeves and they slide right on top. And then you'll take your Phillips screw and screw it down in there. And these act like a washer, spacer, and then that's the end product. Now we'll say, you can see how you don't really have a lot of room there, but these do move a good bit. So, and then these are your brackets. This is how the step is adjustable, because you can kind of slide the whole thing. And then I gotta get these bolts out. And then from there, they sit on top of the brackets that are on the truck. And then the bolts go up through the bottom, you know, securing the bracket to the bottom of the running board. And I'll show you in a second. There we go. So they are. Like I said, they're fully adjustable. Go down to the next one. Just like that. And then so on for the front. Height-wise, not much more you can do. I know the driver's side when I did, I think I got it up like a 1/4 inch higher. So same thing, I'm gonna tuck them up as high as I can go, but it's really not even gonna be noticeable on camera. But that's kind of how they look. So this completes another stage. The upgrades for truck. Looks good. All right, one final look. But that's it. So we're gonna wrap up the video now. Thanks for tagging along, and be more to come as always. So hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.